5 powerful ways to harness your thoughts for optimal health. Welcome to our channel, where we explore the fascinating connection between our thoughts and our health. Today, we are diving into 5 powerful techniques to harness the power of your thoughts to optimize your overall well-being. Our thoughts have a profound impact on our health, and by mastering them, we can unlock a whole new level of vitality and wellness. So, let's jump right in. 1. Practice mindful awareness. Mindful awareness is all about being present in the moment and observing your thoughts without judgment. By regularly practicing mindfulness meditation, you can train your mind to focus on the present, reduce stress, and improve overall mental and physical health. Start by setting aside just a few minutes each day to sit quietly and focus on your breath. With practice, you'll find yourself more centered and in tune with your body. 2. Utilize positive affirmations. Positive affirmations are powerful statements that can help reprogram your subconscious mind for success and well-being. By repeating affirmations such as, "I am healthy and strong," or "every cell in my body radiates with wellness," you can cultivate a positive mindset and improve your overall health. Try incorporating affirmations into your daily routine, whether it's reciting them in the morning, writing them down, or even recording them and listening throughout the day. 3. Visualize optimal health. Visualization is a technique used by athletes, performers, and even medical professionals to achieve success and healing. By vividly imagining yourself in a state of optimal health, you can send powerful signals to your brain and body, encouraging them to work together towards your desired outcome. Take a few moments each day to close your eyes and visualize yourself vibrant, energetic, and free from any health concerns. The more detail you can imagine, the more effective this technique will be. 4. Practice gratitude. Gratitude is a potent antidote to stress and negativity. By focusing on the things you're thankful for, you can shift your perspective and cultivate a sense of well-being. Studies have shown that practicing gratitude can improve sleep, boost immunity, and even reduce symptoms of depression. Try keeping a gratitude journal and writing down 3 things you're grateful for each day. It's a simple yet incredibly powerful way to optimize your health from the inside out. 5. Surround yourself with positivity. Finally, surround yourself with positive people and environments that support your health goals. Our thoughts and emotions are contagious, so surrounding yourself with positivity can have a profound impact on your well-being. Take inventory of your relationships and environments and make adjustments as needed to ensure they align with your health and wellness goals. Whether it's joining a supportive community, spending time in nature, or simply surrounding yourself with uplifting music and media, prioritize positivity in your life. And there you have it, 5 powerful ways to use your thoughts to optimize your health. Remember, your mind is a powerful tool, so use it wisely. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on living your healthiest, happiest life. Until next time, take care.